5 best iOS emulators for PC, like BlueStacks. So if you want the 5 best iOS emulators for your PC, then the first one is iPadian. This is one of the most popular iOS style simulators for Windows that gives you like iPad or phone-like experience and allows you to run certain iOS style apps, though it doesn't run apps from the official App Store. The second one we have is SmartFace. It's primarily designed for app developers. SmartFace lets you emulate iOS apps on a Windows machine for testing and development with features like device simulation and debugging tools. The third one, we have Appetize.io. This is a browser-based iOS emulator. You upload your app or use demos and run it in a web browser on your PC. It's great for quick previews without installing heavy software. Another alternative is Touch HLE. It's an open source iOS emulator that focuses on running certain older iOS games and apps on Windows. It's more experimental but promising for specific titles. And the last we have is Corellium. It's a powerful browser-based iOS virtualization platform originally for security research that also lets users emulate iOS environments from Windows. It's more advanced and technical but offers deep emulation capabilities. Keep in mind that most Windows iOS emulators are actually simulators or development tools because Apple's ecosystem restricts true iOS virtualization on non-Apple hardware. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.